group have chosen the lecture hall as our site for discussion. It is very closely related to every one of us. We face a lot of problems while having lectures, and we have a dream to improve the venue in campus where we spend most of our time. We have picked a few problems to discuss on and suggest some solutions to them. Sometimes when we are having lectures, the air conditioning might be too cold, or maybe it gets too stuffy and uncomfortable. This is why we introduce a new type of seat. This seat has a piezoelectric pressure sensor on the bottom cushion. When a person sits on the seat, the compression would generate an electrical potential difference. This signal would indicate the amount of students and the distribution of them inside the lecture hall. In addition, we will add thermoelectric sensor to the seats. This could determine the temperature of the student. By analyzing the data, we would be able to adjust the orientation of the ventilation and the strength of the air conditioning. There are times you want to enter the inner seat, but everyone have their laptops and notes all over the place. You might also want to leave for the washroom, but you got everything on your own desk. It is so frustrating, so we introduce a foldable desk. We have noticed the space below the lecture hall seats, so we would like to utilize that space. When you want to use the desk, you can slide it up. When you want to leave temporarily, you can put it back into position with your own things on it, so you won't need to pack all your things before you leave for a toilet break. The whole motion of the desk is parallel to the ground. We sometimes encounter situations when we can't see the screen properly, like when we are sitting too far back, or when the person in front is too tall, blocking the view. Regarding this problem, we would like to add a small monitor at the back of the seats. The small monitor can be in sync with the screen outside. Thus, during the professor's presentation, the PowerPoint can be shown directly in front of the students, clear and convenient. Have you sometimes complained about bringing too much things to a lecture, especially a heavy and thick laptop? We therefore propose the installed monitor as a tablet-like gadget. Each monitor has its individual USB ports with preload document processing programs like Word, PowerPoint, Adobe Reader, etc. Students can utilize this gadget to work on their assignments without bringing their bulky items all around. There are also times when there is an attendance sheet being passed around, but you couldn't get it. So we introduce an application to the monitor tablet, which can only be accessed within the lecture hall. The attendance will be recorded after you input your UID. This makes everything simpler and easier. From the lecturer's point of view, there is a problem of students not attentive enough. For example, someone is not paying attention and has fallen asleep. By installing motion sensors, electrical potential difference will be produced to induce a shock to warn the students. It discourages students from doing such inattentive behaviors. Creating a modern, enjoyable learning environment is our ultimate goal. We hope all these ideas can be implemented to improve the current lecture hall and resolve the problems that we are currently facing.